Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to use an American Express card internationally. Whether you're jetting off to Paris or exploring Tokyo, your Amex card can be a powerful tool, if you know how to use it right. Let's dive in. First things first, not all cards are created equal when it comes to international use. Start by checking if your American Express card is enabled for overseas transactions. Log into your Amex account online or via their app and look for settings related to international travel. If it's not activated, you might need to contact customer service to avoid any surprises. Next, be mindful of foreign transaction fees. American Express often charges a small fee for purchases in foreign currencies, typically around 2.5%, but some premium cards waive this. So double-check your card's benefits. To minimize costs, try to use your card for bigger expenses and opt for local currency when prompted during transactions. When it comes to making payments, American Express is widely accepted in many countries, especially in places like the US, Europe, and Australia. However, in some regions like parts of Asia or Africa, you might encounter spots where Visa or MasterCard is preferred. Always carry a backup card just in case. For cash needs, you can withdraw money from ATMs abroad, but watch out for additional fees from both Amex and the ATM provider. Look for ATMs in Amex partner banks to potentially reduce costs. And remember, inform your bank about your travel plans to prevent your card from being flagged for fraud. Security is key when traveling. Enable notifications on your Amex app so you get real-time alerts for every transaction. Use contactless payments where possible for quick and secure taps, and never share your PIN with anyone. If you suspect any issues, Amex has 24/7 global customer support to help you out. Wrapping this up, using your American Express card internationally can enhance your trip with rewards, security, and convenience. Just plan ahead, stay informed, and enjoy the perks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below about your own international card experiences. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.